How's it everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how I made this super simple bookshelf. This might be one of the easiest shelves I've ever built. It's a simple 6-shelf design and I'll walk you through the whole process. Let's go! I started by cutting all my wood to length. I'll leave a full cut list in the description so you can reference it later. Once everything was cut, I sanded all the pieces down using 120 grit sandpaper. Nothing crazy here, just enough to smooth everything out. I painted the upright poles white, and for the shelves, I used a clear stain to enhance the natural wood color. After everything dried, it was time for assembly. I grabbed one of the support pieces and screwed it into the poles. I'm using one of the support pieces as a spacer for the bottom of the shelf. I drilled pilot holes first before securing everything with 2-inch wood screws. I spaced all my shelves approximately 10 inches apart. I built 2 identical side frames. Once I made one, I made another one just like it. To keep things simple, I just lined up both sides and screwed them together, so I didn't have to measure anything. Next, I attached the shelves. I secured the top shelf using wood screws, and for the remaining shelves, I used wood glue and brad nails to hold everything in place. The last step was adding these felt pads to the bottom of the feet so the shelf slides easily and doesn't scratch the floor. And that's it. I really love how this turned out. The entire build took a couple of days and I utilized almost all the materials. Thanks for staying until the end of the video. If you enjoyed this build, make sure to like the video and also be sure to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, mahalo and aloha.